If you want to see how we're going to make today's homemade burgers, keep watching. You will need 2 kg of minced lamb, 12 onions, 12 green chilies, 3 garlic cloves, ginger, 3 tablespoons of ground coriander, 3 tablespoons of garam masala, 6 eggs. So what we're going to do first, we're going to blend and mix the onions to make a paste. We're going to add that to our minced meat and we're going to go ahead and blend the rest of them. You can cut your onions into smaller pieces so it blends better. It's whatever works for you. So I'm just going to take the rest of the onions and the green chilies and I'm going to blend that up and take that to the minced meat. To that I'm going to add the 6 eggs before I start adding the garam masala and coriander. You want to make sure that you mix this well and you want to really get up in there. It's not as easy as it looks, but it's going to get messy. Once that's done, you want to let it sit for about 5-10 minutes and then you want to add 3 teaspoons of salt. Once you've given that a good mix, you're ready to make your kebabs. Depending what size you want, you can take a handful and you want to make it into a ball. You can make these into meatballs or you can make them into flat beef patties, which is what I'm doing. Once you've made the ball, you want to make sure that you've pushed it enough that you're taking out air bubbles and then we're going to flatten it to make a patty. You want to put pressure on it so it keeps its shape and you also can add some mortar. That's to avoid it sticking anywhere and just to keep its shape. So I'm going to be making 2 shapes, one for burgers and the other one is for wraps. To cook them, you want to get some oil. You can use any oil. I'm using vegetable oil here and you can put them into a pan. They will shrink in size so you can make it whichever size you want depending on what you're going to put it in. And you can adjust the pan as you go on because when they shrink, you've got space for more. When you see it going smaller in size, you want to flip it over to the other side to make sure that's also cooked. You want to keep it on medium heat. When they look golden brown, then that means that they are ready and they are ready to serve. You can have it on its own, but I'm going to be making a burger. So what I put in mine is the following. In my burger, I like salad, so I've put lettuce and cucumber. I've made this patty quite big, so it goes with the burger size bun. I like to put cheese into it. Sometimes I use cheese slices or cheddar, ketchup, garlic sauce, and also burger sauce. Without burger sauce, I don't know what your burger is doing. And that's it. You can make your gourmet style burger at home with your little fancy brioche buns. Trust me, it makes all the difference. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know what you think. Give it a try and I'll see you next time. Bye.